Google is quietly plotting one of the most surprising shakeups in Pixel history. This isn't about a new camera or flashy colors. This could change the very core of what makes a pixel a pixel. The whispers are pointing to a radical switch in the modem powering the next generation. Something that could redefine connectivity, speed, and even safety for millions of users. Welcome back, viewers. James here. Like, share, and subscribe for more. Over the last few years, every Pixel release promised better network performance, yet many users still faced signal drops and heat issues. Rumors now suggest that Google is finally considering a move away from Samsung modems, teaming up with MediaTek for the first time on a flagship. The rumored M90 modem isn't just a spec bump, it's designed for peak 5 speeds up to 12 Gbps. Supports both sub-6 and millimeter wave bands, dual SIM active 5G, and even satellite connectivity. That's right, a Pixel that could stay connected even in remote areas without a tower in sight. If this actually happens, it could solve one of the most overlooked issues in Pixel phones: real-world connectivity and efficiency. A new modem often means redesigned antennas, better heat management, and smarter power use. For anyone who's ever seen their Pixel heat up while streaming or lag during calls, this could be life-changing. And if Google and MediaTek sync well, this could set the stage for a long-term partnership shaping Pixels for years. The rumored Pixel 11 lineup also hints at thinner, lighter designs, possibly a refined, foldable, and more ambitious models than ever. Internal coded names like Yogi or 9Y suggest Google is already pushing third-generation foldables, which could mean a sturdier hinge, smoother software features, and even higher durability on the software side. November updates are rolling out features like Remix in Google Messages, letting users turn photos into AI-generated creations, and one-click theming that finally rivals Samsung's customization. Notification management is getting smarter with summaries and AI prioritization. Scam detection is expanding, and VIP alerts could warn you if loved ones are in disaster zones. Google Maps power-saving mode and call transcription features are evolving too, creating a Pixel ecosystem that's safer, more personal, and efficient. Now, combine this software ecosystem with the rumored Pixel 11 hardware upgrades, the MediaTek M90, Tensor G6, refined foldable design, and lighter body. Suddenly, 2026 could be a landmark year for Google, finally producing a lineup that competes with the best in speed, AI, battery life, and connectivity. Of course, these are still leaks, but the hints are strong enough to keep the excitement alive. So here's the question for you: would a MediaTek-powered Pixel 11 make you consider switching phones? Are you more intrigued by the foldable upgrades or the connectivity improvements? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and let's see which rumored feature excites the community the most. Until next time, stay curious, stay tech-savvy, and keep exploring the future of mobile technology.